Tak vítajte u Pama Let's Play. Tento raz som tu ja, Martin. A to z dôvodu, že sme sa rozhodli, že budeme točiť niektoré videá aj samostatne. A niektoré hry proste nemusím ja, niektoré hry on a Assassina ja musím, takže toto točiť budem. Tak vítajte teda u tretej časti našeho Let's Playu na novej Let's Play série na hru Assassin's Creed 1. Tak, čo sa tu udialo? Je to tretí Let's Play, tretia časť, takže ešte sme furt ako keby, no v tom prologu a dosť kecania ideme za tým mamrdom, ktorý si dolámal nohu. Teda, áno, samozrejme. OK, takže my máme pokračovať vlastne. Ale čo máme, kde máme ísť? Kurňa fix, ja neviem. Taďalto? Na toto. Ja si musím zvyknúť furt na to ovládanie, lebo to... Je tu kúsok predsa inakšie a... Chápete, čo tým chcem naznačiť? Neviem. Ja byť ním by som po tých znilých trámoch ani nechodil. Tak, čo tu máme robiť? Áno, ďalšia lekcia šplhania. Ako správny asasín sa ideme vyšplhať na tú najvyššiu pičovinu, čo tu na mape nájdeme. Samozrejme, to musí patriť do každej série Assassin. Ubisoft presne vedel, čo robí. Čo sa týka všetkého, tak samozrejme ďakujeme za všetku sledovanosť, aj za všetko, za všetky lajky a tak. Ešte sa len rozbiehame. Nemáme ešte toľko hier, toto je teda naša celkovo prvá taká vážna Let's Play séria. Samozrejme potom ďalší Assassin, nejaké to GTAčko, Far Cry, neviem, Witcher, teda Zaklínač. Zaklínača mám veľmi rád, ja osobne, takže prečo si vytiahol meč? Prestáva sa mi to páčiť, keď si vytiahol ten meč. Aha, je svine. Čo mám teraz robiť? No tak. Kurňa. To je drsné. To sú kokoti. Aha, vyznamenanie, určite.
Tell me, do you know why it is you are successful? You listened. Were it that you'd listened in Solomon's temple, Altair, all of this would have been avoided.
I did as I was asked.
No, you did as you pleased. Malik has told me of the arrogance you displayed, your disregard for our ways.
What are you doing?
There are rules. We are nothing if we do not abide by the Assassin's creed. 3 simple tenets, which you seem to forget. I will remind you. First and foremost, stay your blade.
From the flesh of an innocent. I know.
And stay your tongue, unless I give you leave to use it. If you are so familiar with this tenet, then why did you kill the old man inside the temple? He was innocent. He did not need to die. Your insolence knows no bounds. Make humble your heart, child, or I swear I'll tear it from you with my own hands. The second tenet is that which gives us strength. Hide in plain sight. Let the people mask you such that you become one with the crowd. Do you remember? Because as I hear it, you chose to expose yourself, drawing attention before you'd struck. The third and final tenet. The worst of all your betrayals. Never compromise the Brotherhood. Its meaning should be obvious. Your actions must never bring harm upon us, direct or indirect. Yet your selfish act beneath Jerusalem placed us all in danger. Worse still, you brought the enemy to our home. Every man we've lost today was lost because of you. I'm sorry. Truly I am. But I cannot abide a traitor.
Čo to chceš robiť?
I am not a traitor.
Neopováž sa.
Your actions
Zabijem.
indicate otherwise.
Ja
And
ho
so you
zabijem.
leave me
To je
no
zmrt.
choice.
To je zmrt.
Peace be upon you, Altair.
To nie. Kurňa, fix. Áno, hneď za tým hodí o ukladanie. Samozrejme. To je ale pičus. Tak, ja idem pikať za záchranu všetkých. OK.
He's experiencing a far better adoption rate than the other subjects.
Welcome to
Still holding
Animus.
out. He's been in there way too long.
No, not yet. We're still so far from where we need to be.
We shouldn't risk it.
What's another hour or two?
Why don't we discuss this in the conference room? Give Desmond a minute to stretch his legs.
I really don't see the need.
Warren, please.
Fine.
Tak teraz si asi zahráme kúsok za Desmond Miles, čo je vlastne v podstate, on je hlavná postava celej tejto Assassin's Creed série. Abstergo Entertainment získalo nejaký kód alebo niečo také, môžu sa pohybovať proste po DNA predkov a Desmond Miles je jedným z tých. Presne z tých. Čo tu máme konkrétne, máme niečo robiť, alebo sa môžem vrátiť, alebo ako si to predstavujú, lebo ja osobne tieto pasáže za Desmonda veľmi nemusím. Veľmi nie. Tu sa nedá ani bežať, to je strašné. Aha, toto bude nejaká izba. Posteľ s tou blondínkou. Ale nepredbiehaj, čo? Interact, to hovoríte? Bože, som tu ako vo väzení.
There's a word for that. I believe it's called insubordination.
And I don't appreciate you trying to kill him. There's a word for that, too. I believe it's called stupid.
Lucy, this isn't my decision. I don't set the deadlines. But I'm smart enough not to challenge them. Do you want to wind up like Layla?
I know the accident has everyone on edge.
Which is why there's no time to coddle him.
If you push him too hard, he'll shut down. And then we'll have nothing.
We have nothing now.
But we will. You just need to have a little faith.
Fine. But I want you thinking of ways to improve his staying power. We can't afford to stop every time the man breaks a sweat. It's bad enough we have to traipse through all of these useless memories.
I'll do what I can.
No. Vypočuli sme si nádherný rozhovor, ktorý aj tak ničomu neviedol. Čo, zase ideme
Man, I
špehovať?
can't even change my clothes.
No. Tak toto je on, Desmond Miles. Bože, žiadna minimálka, nič to. Tu sa nič nedozvieme. Aha.
We're done for today, Mr. Miles. I suggest you return to your room and get some rest.
Takže. Stay with me. Aha. Aha. Nasledujem. Nasledujem. Furt nasledujem. Ahoj. OK. OK, samozrejme vždy v strede, asi tak niekde v strede videa to kúsok sekne. Pretože nahrávame v menších intervaloch 10 minútových kvôli tomu, proste je to pre nás výhodnejšie, nemusí vás to, no, malo by vás to zaujímať, to je jedno, v podstate, furt to tak sekne, tak ja to robím teraz, kým není nejaká extra akcia za chvíľu. Ešte tak, čo to máme robiť teraz? Ja som fakt nerozumel, čo to máme robiť, lebo ja som sa sústredil tu na načasovať, lebo pozerám, koľko máme ešte. Sústredím sa na všetky veci, tu asi nemôžem ísť, čo? Asi nie, dobre. Ideme za ňou, ideme sa niečo spýtať, OK. Tak urobíme prvo ten sek a potom sa môžeme niečo spýtať. OK, sme späť. Počkaj, ja sa ťa chcem niečo spýtať.
So you're really an assassin? Like Altair?
Yes and no.
What do you mean?
I was supposed to be one, but I ran away from the farm when I was 16.
Farm?
Yeah, that's what they call the place where I grew up. The farm. Like Messiah, I guess. Only not so, creepy. Just a small community in the middle of nowhere. About 30 of us living, you know, off the grid.
Why?
Thought my parents were just crazy hippies trying to stick it to the man, you know? My dad was always going on about our enemies, how they'd be looking for us, how we'd have to be prepared. No one ever came. Nothing ever happened.
Why'd you run away?
I could never leave the compound. You have any idea what it feels like being trapped in a place, knowing there was a whole world out there I'd never get to see?
Don't you miss your parents?
No. As far as I'm concerned, they weren't my parents. They were my wardens, and I was their prisoner.
It sounds like they only wanted to protect you.
With all that's happened, I don't know. I guess they were right.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to dredge up the past.
It's alright. Gives me something to think about.
Try and get some sleep. We've got a long day ahead of us tomorrow.
To je všetko? Dobre.
Got a question for you before I turn in.
Sure.
How did they find me? I mean, I haven't been anywhere near another assassin for 10 years.
Use your
To
real
zase ide
name.
kecať? A mne sa už nechce
Not
kecať.
before today.
Ja potrebujem akciu, no tak. Pripojte ma zase na
No one
ten
call.
Driver's
stôl
license?
mučiaci.
Motorcycle. Guilty
Nemôžem tu
pleasure.
niečo robiť,
There's your
nemôžem
answer.
to tu rozbiť.
Photo?
Rád by som
Fingerprints.
sa tu
This is a
zahral.
drug company. What does Abstergo have to do with the DMV?
Desmond, these guys are everywhere. I'm sorry, I really can't talk about it.
Oni sa vidia aj cez stenu. Co má posr? Už ide ten doktor. Kde zmizla? Čo to teraz sa otvorilo? To boli dvere. Boli to dvere? Počítač. Asi sa do neho nehackneme. Ako v Assassin's Creed 4, alebo... áno, v Rogue. Môžeš ma späť pripojiť? Alebo zase tu ideš kecať. Či mám ešte niekde ísť? Ja fakt... Ja osobne nemusím. Animus... Fakt, dakedy je to tráva, lebo nič vám nepovedia. A stejne je to už pár tých rokov, čo som hral. Vlastne. Assassin's Creed 1, takže... Ja... No. Nebudem zachádzať do detailov. Keby sa tu dalo aspoň rýchlejšie chodiť, ja tu musím chodiť tou chôdzou.
Aren't you tired?
To je strašné. No, ešte mi niečo chcú povedať.
Can't talk. Gotta work.
To je... Víte, už sme tu možno... 10 minút zabili. No,
Damn it, they locked the door.
čo to kurva? Zamkli dvere. To je ako v zlom horele toto... Aha, môžem niečo robiť. Paráda, idem sa vyspať. Som pokusný králik. Držia ma tu v 2 miestnostiach, môžem len hovoriť, ľudne chodiť a spať. Nasledujúce ráno.
Gotta say, that's a little creepy, Doc. Waking up to you standing over me. You been watching me sleep?
We're always watching you. Now get up. We've got a lot of work to do.
Ooh, wonder who I get to kill today.
Don't be so cavalier. Your ancestors almost had the right idea, Mr. Miles. If the deaths of a few people, evil people, no less, could save the lives of thousands more, well, it seems a small sacrifice.
What do you mean, almost?
They didn't go far enough. To use a rather tired analogy, corruption is no different than cancer. Cut out the tumors, but fail to treat the source and, well, you're buying time at best. There's no true change to be had without comprehensive, systemic intervention.
Chemo for the masses.
Education, re-education, to be more precise. But it's not easy, and it doesn't always take.
Let me guess. You've got a better solution. What is it then?
Now that would be telling.
No. Ako som už spomenul, tých kecačiek je tu strašne veľa. Toto je ako ešte furt taký prolog. Keď sa dostaneme už z toho prologu, už to bude voľnejšie, už to bude kúsok lepšie. Assassin's Creed 1. Budem sa snažiť prejsť ju úplne celú, ukázať vám všetko. Samozrejme, ak tu budú... Ja už si proste nepamätám, čo tu zbierať, či nejaké truhly alebo niečo také, tak... nejakú časť môžem urobiť za kamerou, nejakú... Teda vám môžem aj ukázať, lebo... Tak toho je tu veľa, to je vlastne taký stereotyp, proste len to isté dookola, ale už by som fakt veľmi rád išiel naspäť do... konečne. Tak máme ešte nejaké 4 minútky, takže snažíme sa ich ešte užiť a uvidíme, jak nám to vyjde. ale budúcu časť... Nádhera. Tak ešte máme 4 minúty, tak prečo nie? Nebudeme to odsekávať, budeme sa snažiť robiť tie 18-20 minútové videá, možno nejaké špeciálne časti, 30 minútové, zatiaľ tie 10. Pardon, 20 minútové videá, tak teraz Altair.
But I saw you stab me. Felt death's embrace.
You saw what I wanted you to see, and then you slept the sleep of the dead, of the womb, that you might awake and be reborn.
To what end?
Do you remember, Altair, what it is the assassin fight for?
Peace. In all things.
Yes, in all things. It is not enough to end the violence one man commits upon another. It refers to peace within as well. You cannot have one without the other.
So it is said.
So it is! But you, my son, have not found inner peace. Manifests in ugly ways. You are arrogant and overconfident.
Were you not the one to say that nothing is true and everything is permitted?
You do not understand the true meaning of the phrase, my child. It does not grant you the freedom to do as you wish. It is a knowledge meant to guide your senses. It expects a wisdom you clearly lack.
Then what is to become of me?
I should kill you for the pain you've brought upon us. Alec thinks it only fair. Your life in exchange for his brother's. But this would be a waste of my time and your talents. You will see you have been stripped of your possessions. Your rank as well. You are a novice. A child once more. As you were on the day you first joined our order. I am offering you a chance at redemption. You'll earn your way back into the Brotherhood.
I assume you've something planned.
First, you must prove to me you remember how to be an assassin.
So you'd have me take a life?
No. Not yet, at least. For now, you're to become a student once again.
There is no need for this.
Others tracked your targets for you, but no more. From today on, you will track them yourself.
If this is what you wish.
It is.
Then tell me what it is that I must do.
We have been betrayed. Someone was assisting Robert de Sable. One of our own. You must find him and bring him here for questioning.
What can you tell me of the traitor?
Ah, but that's just it. I've given you all I will. The rest is up to you.
No. Konečne sme prestali kecať. Tak. Ideme stadiaľto preč, samozrejme. A ja si myslím, že tu už by sme to mohli aj zapichnúť, lebo predsa len nechcem nič riskovať, keby bolo niečo dobré, aby som vás o to pripravil, to určite nie. Extra trvý. No tak teraz vlastne sme úplne bez zbraní. Aj bez všetkého. Tak fakt teraz ideme to tu zapichnúť, tak ďakujem za všetky odbery. Za chvíľu sa ukážeme teda všetky odbery, všetky palce nahoru. Všetko bude pomáhať. Tak teda dovidenia.